Today we're going to take this little piece of gammon and we're going to turn it into this juicy, tasty, bourbon glazed smoked ham. Let's get cooking. Welcome to the shack. I'm Phil and today it's all about the gammon. Well, technically it's half about the gammon and half about the bourbon glaze we're going to make, but that's just semantics. Anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to take this gammon, we're going to get it all seasoned up, then we're going to throw it on the smoker. While it's cooking, I'm going to put together a sweet and sticky bourbon honey glaze, which we're then going to drizzle over our meat, giving it a beautiful smoky and sticky finish. Sounds good? Let's get to it. Right, so what I want to do is I want to take this fat cap off, as I want to get some seasoning directly on the meat. We're not going to be cooking it long enough or hot enough for that fat to render down, so we're going to take it off and get rid of it. First, let's remove it out of its netting. So just grab yourself a sharp knife and we're just going to run it under that fat. I'll leave a bit of the fat on, but just take that skin off. We're not cooking hot enough today to make crackling, unfortunately. There is our meat. Quite a bit of fat still there, so we might as well just level that up by removing it. I'm going to grab some classic American mustard and just use that as a binder. You won't really taste the mustard after, so if you don't like mustard, don't worry. But if you'd rather use something else, just use some neutral oil like vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Next, grab your seasoning. This is just a barbecue rub that I make up. If you'd like to know how I make it, I'll leave a link in the description. But you can use any seasoning you like or your favourite barbecue rub. We just get plenty of this on it. So as I've removed our gammon from its netting, I've had to tie it up with a bit of string as I don't want our meat falling apart in the cooker. Tie one bit here, cut off the excess, then the same again just here. There we go. Dip the end off. There's our meat all seasoned up, so let's pop it on the grill. Okay, so our smoker is currently cooking around 130 degrees C. So we're going to now pop on our meat. I'll pop the temperature probe into the gammon. That will just save you keep opening and closing the lid to test the temperature, as we don't want to keep losing heat from the cooking chamber. I'm going to cook this meat until we've got an internal temperature of around 80 degrees C. But when it reaches around 70, I'll start periodically glazing the meat with our nice bourbon glaze until it finally reaches our desired temperature. Speaking of which, let's get the glaze made. First off, we're going to need some bourbon. This is half a cup of bourbon. Next up, we have half a cup of honey. Then we've got a quarter cup of ketchup, quarter cup of brown sugar. Next we have 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Then 4 teaspoons of barbecue rub. Then 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then we have here about 100 grams of unsalted butter. Just combine those a bit. And finally we'll add about 100 mils, say 150 mils of Coke. Give all that a stir. So what I'll do now is I'll pop this in the smoker next to the gammon. That way the butter and all the sugar can melt and combine, and it'll also give the glaze a nice smoky flavour. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the probe's telling me we're pretty close to temperature now, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, that looks nice. What we're going to do, I'm going to pop this onto a into a foil tray, like so. And then I can pour some of this glaze over the top. I think what we'll do now is we'll let that cook probably for another 15 minutes, but every few minutes I'm going to open up and put some more glaze on the top to create a few layers. Okay, it's been another few minutes. Pour a bit more of this glaze over. Okay, that ham looks great now. I think I'm going to give it a few more minutes just so I can add in a few more layers of this glaze, and then we'll let it rest and then we'll carve into it and see what it tastes like. Okay, here's our lovely ham. Looks lovely and it smells even better. So let's get some of this carved, I think. Does look good. I have to try a bit of this. It does smell amazing. Oh, it's hot. That is so juicy and tender. It's just pulling apart. Absolutely beautiful ham. Yes, very nice. For me, that's cooked perfectly. You've got a nice smoke up the wood. It's really sweet coming from that glaze. Damn, that's good. That's a thumbs up from me. I could just keep eating this, but it is for our chaser. And that was pretty easy. It's only taken about, what, 4 hours? Well, there we have it. A bourbon honey glazed ham. Pretty simple cook. I'll give it a go yourself. Until the next time, you take care now.